Hi friends, today we are going to be looking at how to prepare for an assessment. Did you know that preparation starts way before the actual assessment? It's true. Paying attention in class, taking good notes, and completing your homework on time are all important steps. They build a strong foundation of knowledge that will help you when it's time to study. But what about unexpected assessments? Don't worry, I've got you covered. The key is to stay organized. Keep your materials tidy and in one place, like a special folder or notebook. This way, you'll be ready for surprise quizzes or pop-up assignments. Now, let's talk about study strategies. Instead of cramming all your studying into one night, spread it out over several days. Break down the topics and review them a little each day. This way, you won't feel overwhelmed and the information will stick better in your brain. Another helpful tip is to find a quiet and comfortable study spot. Make sure it's free from distractions like TV or noisy siblings. Having a designated study area helps you focus and concentrate on your work. Also, don't forget to ask for help if you need it. Your teachers, parents, or even classmates can lend a hand. They might have useful study tips or explanations that make things clearer. Finally, on the day of the assessment, make sure you have everything you need: pencils, erasers, calculators, so you're not scrambling at the last minute. So, let's start preparing early, stay organized, and use effective study strategies. You've got this. Well, that's our time for today, guys. We hope you've learned something new. See you next time.